Hello Fishan Town, how are you? I'm so grateful na napili ako dito and thank you Bro Jigs Mundo for inviting me. It's been an honor to be here in Real Talk episode. By the way, my name is Dom Espinosa. I'm also known as the Tackle Monster. I'm also a pro staff angler at Ken's Tackle Shop at presidente din ako ng Tacloban City Anglers Club. Membro din ako ng Latian Heavy Cover Game Philippines and Snakehead Anglers Philippines. So, these two major groups, my bros and sis, malaki yung contribution nila dito. Dahil dito ko nalaman yung mga techniques and methods kung paano nila gawin yung pinaka-the best moves nila. So, na-apply ko din sa sarili ko at ginagawa ko to dito sa Tacloban. I started fishing since 2013 pa. And thanks God, mag-12 years na ako from now. And still, love ko pa rin yung hobby na to. By the way, ito yung Kabuyan River. Ito yung spot ko for mangrove jack and black bass. Napaka-narrow lang ng river na to pero it's the best spot na pinupuntahan. Me as an angler, I fish from salt water to fresh water. Depende yun kung anong napapag-usapan ng tropa. So, kung jigging naman yung papag-usapan natin, we travel from Tacloban to Eastern Samar. Kasi dun lang yung may potential na jigging spot. Hindi makakaprovide ang Tacloban ng jigging because we have shallow waters here. Pero, yung pinaka-the best ko ay ang black bass fishing. Kasi, this fish has bad reputation of busting your lures, breaking your rods, and snapping your lines from 50 to 60 pounds of braids.
Napaka-exciting talaga pag nag-strike ng isda. Especially kung yung gamit mo ay top water lures, masyashock ka sa mga blow-ups at mapapaisip ka immediately kung paano mo ilaland ito. Kasi we have a narrow river here, may mga snag sa ilalim. You have to act quickly kung paano maiwasan yan. If not, wala, you're going to lose the fish. Yung kailangan mo lang mga bros and sis, you have to bring the right kind of gear para magawa mo ng maayos ang trabaho mo.
So, that's why na love ko talaga yung black bass fishing. It was a really exciting game. Kaya hindi ito matatapos dito. So I have to explore in some other places just like Northern Samar and some other areas in Southern Leyte. Bakit ka nag-fishing? Fishing is my outlet from all negative things.
Ang fishing, hindi lang hobby para sa akin. For me, it's the way of life. Also, for something I depend on. Kung stress ako sa work, tormented ka sa mga problema sa araw-araw na routine, lahat ng mga negatibong bagay ay nawawala pag nakikita mo ang kalikasan. Feeling mo kasi you're one with nature. All you have to do is go fishing, go to the outdoors, gawin mo ang gusto mo. Kasi fishing is a cure for unhealthy things. Dapat mo i-enjoy ang mga wonderful moment. Live life and go fishing.
Again, thank you. This is the Tackle Monster and signing off.